Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to flip first and last names dynamically in Power BI. So let's go to the tutorial. So upon the completion of this tutorial, you will know how to create a slides like this. So first to last, so it displays the same names. If you select last to first, it switches. The name will be switchers. So this is what we are going to do today to create to flip the names based on the selection here. So my data source looks like this, first name, last name. It's a very simple data source. To achieve the outcome, first we need to create an index column. For that, we go to Home, Transform Data. In here, we need to create an index column. So we go Add Column here and create index column starting from 1. So that's the step 1. Right now, I want to create a slicer. First, last, last, first slicer. So for that, I go and create a new table, right? So here the DAX would be, okay, let's say we say name order. So here we say I want to create a data table and I want to have a column called order. Data type, I want it as string. Then the values would be first, last. Then this one has to be closed like this. And the second one is last first. Right, so this is how we create that slicer table. So this is the table has been created now based on the input value. So now we create the slicer. So we come here, we select slicer here, right? And then we add the order as the field to the field, right? So now our slicer is created. Now, when the value is selected, I want to have a matrix and display the first name and last name. For that, I go and create a measure. Right now, I need to write the measure. So here we say as display name. Right, so first we create a variable. Wow. Selected order or slicer value equals selected. So based on dynamic selected value in order, right? So if the alternative I want to set it, the default value would be I want to keep it as first and last, right? That's the default, right? So based on that, then I want to return. So then I write a switch statement because I have two values, switch based on selected selected order value. If the value is first, last, then what to happen, right? So for that, I directly get the values and paste here. So which I use the text concat text, which concat the names table and the first name and the last name, right? That is that one. And then when the value is selected as last and first, then same goes to, so I want to concat names, last name and the first name, right? Then I will close the bracket, the switch statement, right? Now, now I will create the matrix. So go and create a matrix. And then here for the rows, I add the index here, right? So index value will be added here. So then the display name as the values, right? And there are total is coming, so we can get rid of it, right? To get rid of it, select here, go format visuals, and then column subtotals. Row subtotals will be omitted. So right now, okay, the values that we want comes here. So then if you select it, default value will come, and then Smith, John, Doy, Jani, like that. So based on what we select here, the names will be flip. So thanks for watching the video and keep in touch for more Power BI tutorials like this. Thank you.